Hello, I'm Sara Jane, and welcome to a message from our friends in the mythical realm. This message is from the Lyre Bird. If you've never listened before, may I suggest you relax, close your eyes, and just listen, because I'm going to close my eyes and see what's coming. Thank you. Beauty is within, in all forms. The beauty of your energy. Yes, you bring a beautiful energy when you allow yourself to be yourself, when you allow yourself to act from your heart, when you allow yourself to be true to who you are and your choices. You are a beautiful, beautiful being from the inside out. Trust the beauty, that energy from within your heart. And first and foremost, allow it to touch and fulfill your life. And as you do that, you will touch others' lives. You will bring a beautiful energy to their lives, giving them permission and the support to be true to themselves, to live from their own beautiful energy. When you get angry, when you get upset, you are not coming from that beautiful space within you. You are coming from a mind-ego aspect. You are allowing other people's negative energies to affect you and to dull your beautiful, positive, inspiring energies. And that is why you will find many sayings about letting go of those people whose energies do not work for you. Those people that drain you, and be around those people that uplift you, that empower you, that encourage you. So start by encouraging yourself, and then you can grow to encourage others. Take your own advice. And if you make suggestions to others, let those suggestions be from your own experience and the things that work for you. What do you enjoy doing? Not what you are good at. What do you enjoy doing? Hopefully you're also good at it, but you can be good at many things without enjoying them. What do you enjoy doing? Do more of that. Become better at that. Do you enjoy singing? Do you enjoy drawing? Do you enjoy painting? Are you creative? Or haven't you allowed your creative side out yet? See the beauty in everything that surrounds you, and you will be seeing it from the beauty that resides within you. You are amazing when you are being totally true to yourself. Trust and believe in yourself as we trust and believe in you. I hope that has touched you, that it has spoken to you. I love these gifts. They are gifts, these messages from our friends in the mythical realm. I never know what's coming. I just trust in them, and I trust the energies of what they bring through me. If you've enjoyed this message, please feel free to go to ourmagicalfriends.com, their website. You will be able to read it there. The video will also be posted there for you as well to watch again, if that isn't where you found it. And if you would like to sign up to the monthly newsletter, and when I say monthly, I mean monthly, I share a PDF copy every month of the message from the mythical realm and the message from the crystals dragons that I have shared during the previous month. So please feel free to go and sign up to the newsletter. You will then receive these messages, and you can then keep them and create your own file of these messages from these many mythical beings. In the meantime, I hope you will join us again. Love, peace and light to you all. Namaste.